Telegram email sign up. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign up on Telegram using your email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now right off the bat, whenever I open the Telegram app and then if I tap the start messaging option here, the very first thing it asks me to enter is using my phone number. So as you can currently see, Telegram does not give you the option to sign up via email, and that is because it is simply not possible. The email address is a secondary process on Telegram which can only be added for two-step verification authentication purposes, but for any sort of, you can say, let's say trying to sign up, you will need a phone number, and Telegram does this in order to avoid bots and make their platform more safer to use. Now unfortunately, as I said, it's not possible. Do not click away just yet, because if you're trying to sign up using email, I'm assuming you don't have a phone number, and if you don't have a phone number, you're assuming that you can't sign up, but that's not always the case. You can still sign up using virtual phone numbers that are available online. So I'm not going to get to the details on this particular video because there was a chance that you might flag down this video if I do so. If you're interested in that, of course you should be able to go ahead and search them up in the website, where they will also be able to send you the codes. You can get the virtual verification codes, and then from there you can start using Telegram even without email or your real phone number. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.